Hello, this is Ryan with Bolster, and in this short video I will demonstrate how to add pictures and descriptions to both items and overall assemblies within your estimate and proposal. By doing this, you'll really set yourself apart from your competitors and make your proposals and estimates pop to your clients. One way to add descriptions is click on the estimation page here. Under descriptions, you can click into the box and type in your description you may have if you're typing it out by yourself. You can also cut and paste a description from a website, ChatGPT, or the like, and fill in the blanks that way. Same thing with pictures. We can drag and drop pictures here from a separate screen or upload them from your computer. Now, how that looks like in the preview side, again, we hit the preview button here. That takes us to what the client's going to see. And as you see here, nice description of whatever you typed into here, plus a picture of what you're showcasing on your proposal. And that may go on for the whole job as well in your whole proposal. Thank you very much.